how to make intro for YouTube videos. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can make the YouTube intro videos. So guys, to make the YouTube intro videos, you will have to follow some steps. So you will have to visit the Canva app and use their free YouTube intro makers to create your video intros. So you will have to open the Canva app, and there you find the free templates option, and you can customize and pre-build template and then download the intro with no watermark. So from there you will have to search for the intro maker youtube intro maker, and you can see there are the different fonts available on the Canva app, so you can customize them and download the intro with no watermarks. So by using these resources you can create the professional and engaging intros of your YouTube videos. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.